My name is Nausheen Sultana. I'm a civil engineer. I would like to know the criteria, if a woman wants to work out, what is the criteria she has to follow for that?
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sister has posed a question that what is the criteria for a woman to work, for a working woman? That is your question, mashallah. In Islam, mashallah, even for the men and women, there are three basic criteria for doing the job from the Quran and the Sunnat, mashallah. The foremost condition for a Muslim man or a Muslim woman to do any job in this world, it is that particular job should not contradict the Sharia. Meaning it should not contradict the teachings of the Quran and the authentic teachings of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, working in an interest-based banking system, we cannot work, it's haram. Mashallah, first thing, which is both for men and women. The second, a woman in specific or a man, a man or a woman, they could not remove their hijab. A woman, the complete from the head till the toe. For a man, from the navel to the region just above the ankles, and the beard, because it is the sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If the job demand that the beard should be removed, that job is haram. The second, hijab cannot be removed. The third, there should not be an unnecessary intermingling with the opposite sex. Meaning there should not be the intermingling of the opposite sex. And here we find there are so many places where there is intermingling. The unnecessary intermingling with the opposite sex, that at that place a woman cannot work. Even a man cannot work. An additional fourth criteria is only for the women. That is the permission of her guardian, the father or the husband. If they are giving the permission to the woman that now she can work, then the woman can work, otherwise she cannot work. I hope I have answered your question.